You know ProtoTRAK makes it easy to program complex features on a part, but it can be a chore to figure out the proper roughing patches to remove the material you don't want. But that chore gets a lot easier with the Clear Off feature on the ProtoTRAK RMX CNC. Simply start your program by selecting Clear Off. From there, you program the features you want to remain and the size of the stock. The features can be as simple or complex as you need. The ProtoTRAK uses powerful underlying software to calculate the roughing passes for you. You control all of the important details like depth of cuts and toolpath patterns. And it is all done conversationally with the prompts in plain language, just like the rest of the ProtoTRAK programming. You can also use the Clear Off with the DXF and the Parasolid Converter. So even your complex parts are easy to finish with Clear Off. Tracking Pat does his usual amazing job of explaining just how the Clear Off works in a video. Just go to Resources and Support and look for How-To videos. You'll find it under RMX options. Clear Off is just another way that ProtoTRAK makes easy work out of the chores you face every day. Yeah, ProtoTRAK does that.